Severe flooding now happening in various parishes in Jamaica.
Roger, God. Yo, me dog! Bingo! We don't have money, dog! We don't have money! I'm here alone in the dark room. Water upon water.
Real rain a fall, real water. Real water. Oh my God. Real water. Bridge cover, can't come out of the house. Okay, man.
Carry them. Right there. Whoa. Go through my boss. Road. Road. Up a station, lightning a lick, yeah. You don't know, so look how down the done. Yeah. Sit there. Up so. Rain. Up a station. Down so. That's water.
Okay, good morning again, colleagues. Well, at present, the road on Manchester Avenue, coming from Forepath to Maypen, heading towards the stoplight, is now impassable. So for those traveling on this route, heading towards Maypen, please try and take a quick detour and go maybe Jackson Street or so, because the road is now impassable. It has now become a river. So for those persons who maybe started out on this route, try and make a turn like myself here.
Well, I'm going to reach a Toby, I can't reach a Toby. Well, Jeremy, right across the bridge, somewhere I reach, and I can't reach there. And if a truck can't go through there. Okay. Well, I reach there, we can't reach there.
Yes, I'm very grateful that we don't get the storm, because normally, if we get this tropical storm here, the whole place would have underwater. From on the riverside drive from that side, go all the way back around, the road is full of water. Apparently, it would have probably the half the car level. It would have. So the drain is need to clean, and we need the proper road down here. And apparently, we're grateful, because all of our faces are underwater now if we get the storm. So we're grateful, but just the gullies want to clean, and the road need to fix, and that's it.
From it flood. So once the flood not get rid of, it did not get no better. So you have to just get rid of the flooding, find out how to get drainage system and them things. And that will create employment for who there and not work. And who want extra money. The overs, I work with the pants too.
Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell.